We are at EMO Hannover 2025 with our special podcast, Innovate Manufacturing. Today we are going to a sports bar at EMO Hannover. In 2002, they brought the digital display in a boring tool. And there was so much of innovations. Now they have 3Tech. Let's find out all these from Frank Wohlhaupter, the managing partner of Wohlhaupter.
Hello, Hari Shanker.
Welcome to our podcast, Innovate Manufacturing. I'm very happy to come to the sports bar
Sports
of
bar.
EMO Hannover 2025.
Great, welcome.
This is our special edition of EMO Hannover.
Emo. Thank you. Yeah.
How was the show?
Show has been great so far. Yeah. So last day today, and it's been really great. So better than I have expected. So we had a bit lower expectations, but was very good this week. Yeah.
I think there was a lot of Indian visitors this time.
Yeah, a lot of Indian visitors and a lot of international visitors. So more than half of our visitors were international and from foreign countries. Yeah.
So this 50th year of EMO, the theme of VDW brought was Innovate Manufacturing. So what do you think about Innovate Manufacturing?
It's always important to innovate new products and develop new products, and innovation has been the most important for German companies especially, and we grew our business and our companies just because of innovations.
So when we talk about, I know that in 2002 you started with the digital display, and now you have this 3Tech, which can put in any boring tool. So now it is very flexible for a manufacturer.
Yeah, correct.
How do you think your innovations made an impact in the shop floor?
As you mentioned, we started 2002 with the integrated display. We were one of the first manufacturers of digital boring tools. And now we have developed 3E-Tech Plus, so that we can use the digital tools in smaller dimensions as well. And that has made a great impact because it's much easier in use. The setup times have been reduced by these tools, and the accuracy of the components being machined with our tools have really increased all around the world. Yeah.
There are a lot of advanced technologies which are coming in manufacturing today. Even here in EMO Hannover, we are talking about additive manufacturing, sustainability. So how the advanced technologies are making impact in manufacturing?
The most important is the high quality products, and advanced manufacturing is really important for the future in regards of high quality production, and together with automation and bringing new technologies, cars, batteries, electric vehicles, and so on. So we need the new advanced technologies in all fields, aerospace and so on, and therefore we need modern production to meet or serve the requirements of the more innovative products.
See, if you see the digital, earlier it was mechanical, from there it became mechatronics. Now it is a combination of mechanics, electronics, as well as communication. So every product data, I think even with your 3Tech, so there are a lot of data which is generated. How you are using this data to benefit your customers?
Actually, on our side, in the cutting tool business, it's still not a big use of this data. In our tools, we currently don't collect any data yet. So it's different in machines. Predictive maintenance and so on the machines, that's getting more and more important. But in our tools, the consumables and even in the capital goods, it's still not, there's no presence or no big use of data. But I see that coming in future as well, in regards of predictive maintenance on tools. But currently our tools don't really need even to be maintained.
But with the 3 tech, like, now the 3 tech can be taken into different positions of the boring bar, and you can measure what is there. So how it really helps a manufacturer with the 3 technology, understanding the microns level?
First of all, it's much easier to set up because you see the accuracy you're adjusting the tool to. So with our new technology, we can adjust the tool by 1 micron on diameter, which was not able to do before. And it's not just more accurate, but it's faster and easier in adjustment, and you don't have to trigger around. With the first adjustment, you got your tool set.
Thanks for the beer, Martina. See, there are a lot of advanced technologies which is happening in there. There are a lot of advanced technologies, artificial intelligence, the ChatGPT, the generative AI. It is changing the way people are working. The skills are, the skill sets are changing. How that is happening in the manufacturing sector?
AI is also very important in the production facility on the shop floor in regards of production planning, detailed planning, and working on the machines and the machines itself with robots, automation, so everything plays a role together.
See, in Europe, you championed the automation, Industry 4.0 earlier, because there was no manpower, so you automated. But in a country like India, there are a lot of manpower is there. How we will be able to blend technology with human resources? You think, is it a possibility?
Yes, I think so. I mean, we in Germany, we still have people on the shop floor, but we reduce the amount of staff all the time, especially in high volume production. But I think in future, even in India, it's necessary to automate because there will always be a country which is of lower cost, and your people will earn more money in future as well, like in China, and therefore you have to automate also in regards of keeping the quality at the same level.
It was always wonderful talking to you. I get a lot of insights, listening to the innovations what Wohlhaupter and Allied Machines and Engineering bring to the manufacturing sector. Thanks for sharing your time.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
And I wish you and Wohlhaupter and Allied Machine and Engineering all the very best.
Thank you very much. Yeah, we look forward to a bright future.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers.